Back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment Inc. with the ticker symbol RDBX. Redbox Entertainment is up today 41%, trading at $8.43. So Redbox Entertainment engages in the provision of home entertainment products in the United States. It also produces, acquires, and distributes movies through its Redbox Entertainment label, providing rights to talent-led films that are distributed across Redbox services, as well as through third-party digital services. It operates through the legacy business and digital business segments. The legacy business segment offers DVD and Blu-ray disc rentals. The digital business segment provides both transactional and ad-supported digital streaming services, which include digital rental or purchase of new release and catalog movies and TV content, free movies and TV shows on demand, and free live TV, a free ad-supported television service. The company was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in Oak Brook Terrace, Illinois. So the company has 1,408 employees, and the CEO is named Galen C. Smith. So there you have a synopsis of what Redbox does, and I believe they have about 38,000 kiosks all across the United States, and they not only offer these kiosks for DVD and Blu-ray disc rentals. The kiosks they also offer servicing of kiosks owned by other companies. So they have all these services that they supply to the entertainment industry, and again, like they said, I just said in this summary, they not only support certain movies, but they also produce movies now through the Redbox studios, and these are distributed in Hollywood. And you would think that by now the model that Redbox applies would be obsolete, but it's not. They came to the stock market through a SPAC, and one of the latest press releases they have is that their chief financial officer will be transitioning. So she will be leaving the company to spend more time with her family. She joined Redbox in 2015, and in 2020 she became the chief financial officer. Here you can see how Redbox actually dropped from 2021 after they did the SPAC and came on market. You can see they shot up and then they ran all the way up. Let's take a look here. So yeah, this is 2021, and you can see that they went all the way up to, in the 52-week range, they've been up all the way to $27.22, and then they've also dropped all the way down to $1.61. So it's been quite a roller coaster ride for Redbox, and it's quite interesting to see how they're picking up value. For today's rise, I just have to be honest with you guys, I don't have any credible catalyst, so I don't know why the stock is rising so high today. But you can see that if somebody had done an investment even in mid-April, you would have had a very, very handsome return by now. So congratulations to those who believed in the Redbox, and also their business model, which everyone thought was obsolete, but apparently it's working. And yeah, so today they're up 40%, and they're showing quite a bit of strength on their upward trend. Just for comparison, most of the major indices today are struggling. You have the S&P 500, which is in the red, the Dow 30, which is in the red, Nasdaq, up 0.25%, the Russell 2000 up 1%, and crude oil, which is down 2.81%, trading at $101.75. So there we have a picture of what the market looks like, with liquidity getting very scarce, and people talking a lot about inflation. But we don't really know where we're gonna be by the end of this week. But congratulations to those who invested in Redbox, especially if you did so about 2 or 3 weeks ago. We will come back with any updates in case anything substantial changes. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.